guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dakota, and before I forget, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. And I'm so happy because we are almost so close to 500, so I do have a special surprise for you as well. Now, today is a highly requested video. As soon as I posted this on my social media, I honestly got so many DMs about doing a review. So that is what I'm going to be doing for you today. I'm doing my first impressions, my honest true thoughts about the foundation. And it is the Morphe foundation. And I did get their brush as well. So if you want to see my true thoughts about the foundation, then definitely just keep on watching. So we are starting off with a bare face, and your girl's got some imperfections here for sure. And I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys what I got. I ordered this foundation from Ulta when it first launched because I wanted to give you guys a review before it like officially launched on Morphe, and it is launching on 2/16 on Morphe.com. So I'll have that listed down in the description box as well. Now I picked up two different foundations. I ordered the medium 9 and light 6. This is the box that it comes in. Now the reason why I ordered two different foundations is because I always have a hard time trying to like match myself online, because I want to fill the foundation. I want to see how it like lays on my skin. I want to see if it oxidizes, if it gets darker, because that means I have to go with like a lighter shade if it is going to oxidize. So there's just like definitely different things that you have to look at like when you're trying to color match yourself. So I got two different foundations. That way if one's lighter, I can just add a little bit of the darker shade and make it to my color. And they're also doing like a promotion as well with the brush. Now this brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush on one side of my face and then use a beauty blender on the other side, just because I don't want you to feel like with this foundation you have to get the brush to, you know, make it look good. So I'm going to give you the best of both worlds, and especially for me, I use a beauty blender to blend out my foundation. So if I can use my beauty blender, I'm definitely going to do that. But if the brush works out well for me, you know, this might just be a new routine. On the box, it says this is a long-wearing, oil-free, natural finish foundation. It's supposed to like hydrate the skin and blur out any imperfections that you have on your face and give you like the ultimate soft focus look. And it has hyaluronic acid, which is gonna skin smoothing, moisturize booster for your skin. It has vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant, and it has glycerin, which is a hydrator for a healthy looking glow. So, ooh, that's some good benefits right there. So the primer I'm going to be using before I apply the foundation is going to be from Juno & Co. It is the Moonshine Miracle Cream Primer. So let me tell you guys a little bit about this primer as well. I've used it a couple different times and I feel like it has definitely worked for me on a whole bunch of different types of foundations. I feel like it has really helped like with my skin as far as like when I apply my foundation and how smooth it looks. So this primer is a luxurious hydrating 2-in-1 primer with moisturizing benefits, formulated for all skin types. And it says that it's infused with 3% avocado oil and hyaluronic acid to help nourish skin and erase any imperfections while providing a light, breathable barrier for up to 12+ hours. So first one I'm going to swatch is the light one, and then I'm going to go in with the medium, and I'm going to just do it on my cheek here real quick. Okay, so I want to say the medium is going to be like the color I'm going to go with. The light just looks a little too light for me. Now, again, with this foundation as well, they have 40 different shades for you to choose from. So you definitely have a range of different colors. And then I believe like you can actually like go based off like your undertone, like if you're pink, if you're more olive, like all those different types of things. So I'm gonna start off with one pump on this side and work my way with the brush. Ooh, this brush is like super soft. Okay, so that is one pump, and you can still see like my imperfections. Obviously it's a medium to full coverage, so it's definitely like a buildable foundation. Now I can tell you right off the bat with a brush, and that's kind of the reason why I do not use brushes to blend out my foundation, is because I do see like little line streaks, and I don't like that. Of course, like you can dab the brush as well to kind of get rid of that, but I'm definitely going to need another pump. So far, I'm not really liking it with the brush. I'm really not. I'm gonna be honest with you. Ah! No! Okay, I'm gonna go like this first. See if that really makes a difference to kind of move the foundation around. Okay, so 2 pumps definitely covered my side of the face. Now I'm feeling a little oily, I'm not gonna lie, but this isn't like a matte foundation, so it's gonna be, I know it's gonna be dewy on me. But so far, like, I really do like the coverage. It's definitely buildable, but I just don't know how I feel about the brush, to be honest. I don't know. We'll have to see what it looks like with the Beauty Blender, because as of right now, I'm not 100% sold on what it looks like with the brush. Okay, so right off the bat, I feel like I definitely do like the Beauty Blender application way better, just because I feel like it went more into my skin rather than the brush. I feel like it's sitting on my skin. I don't know if that really makes any sense, but I feel like I'm pushing it into my skin, so it's like really covering the imperfections. So I'm gonna just put a little bit more foundation like in this area, but I'm really not worried about putting a lot of foundation in this area, just because I'm going to be using like concealer and whatnot. Like I have other products to use for like my normal routine. But let's just see how it's going to look once I put like a little bit more on. Okay, so I'm liking the coverage so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, do my eyes and everything like that. And I'm gonna show you guys how it kind of holds up, because I do have another video to film for you guys as well. So I'm gonna check back in with you guys and let you know like my true thoughts. All my makeup is done. I have filmed another video. I have eaten, I've gone outside, I've run a couple of errands, I've done a lot. So I wanna just tell you guys like a review of what I think of the foundation. Now I can totally tell the difference of each side. This side was the side that I used for the brush that it came with, and then this side was my Beauty Blender. I definitely like the application way better with the Beauty Blender. I can tell on this side I'm a little bit more dewy, which is really not a problem. It's not like super bad, but I can totally tell you guys I'm super cakey. I can tell like if I smiled a lot more. I know a lot of people are like worried about getting like smile lines. So I can tell like with me talking a lot, it's like I can see all the little lines like around my face. I definitely do not like the nose area. Once I put my concealer on, I could tell like it just wasn't like blending correctly. Yeah, and I'm really like starting to get like some buildup around my nostrils. But this one's not so bad. I just don't know if I would wear it again. Like I can tell like I'm looking dry right here. I'm looking a little crusty, and a lot of other foundations do not do that to me. with my concealer and also just doing my normal makeup routine. I can definitely tell there's some like lines up here. I don't know, I feel like I got a lot of negatives to say about this foundation. Maybe I'll probably just keep it to a medium light coverage, I would say. I wouldn't do more than one pump, that's for sure, for my whole entire face. Maybe with my skin, just because I'm super oily, that's probably the reason why I'm not really liking it. I really wonder how it's gonna like last like later on in the day, just because it's only been probably like 4 hours I've had this foundation on, and I already feel like I need to touch it up, you know? So let me get you guys zoomed in so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about, like around my lip, my nose, my nostrils, my forehead, especially right here too. I just don't feel flawless, you know? And I want to feel flawless if I'm putting on a full face of makeup. Okay, so right here is what I'm talking about. I'm like cakey in this area around my nostril, which I absolutely hate when I'm wearing foundation. My forehead right here, you see this little line? Yeah, I don't like that. It's not hiding any of my imperfections. I just feel cakey, and I feel like a lot more oil is like showing through my face. And my nose area right here, I'm just noticing there's just a lot. I feel like a lot's going on right here. And then my lip area, I feel like if you're wearing it throughout the day, you're gonna get a lot of smile lines. So guys, overall, I just would not wear this foundation again. Let me know if you got the foundation and you tried it out, like what are your thoughts? But I personally just would not wear it again. I just feel cakey. I don't feel, oh my god, my fucking cat's crying. I don't feel flawless or anything like that. And I don't think it's gonna hold up to the expectations of lasting all day long. Yeah, this is a no for me for sure. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. And leave me any comments down below. I do respond back to everyone. And I think that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.